If you've been following the jail discussion, you've probably heard from county leaders that have said that you cannot build a new facility at the current location because there's not enough parking. Well, so here's what I'm going to do, because I haven't seen any actual studies from anybody that says there's not enough parking. So it's Sunday afternoon. I'm going to count all the parking spots that are here. I'm going to also count how many cars are here right now. If you come by in the weekend, you'll notice that there's a lot of cars parked here. And then I'm going to come back Monday morning around 9, and I'm going to do the exact same thing. I will then subtract the amount of open spots, the amount of cars that I counted today, and that'll give us a good idea as to how many cars to expect here during the week. So it's my way of doing an informal study to kind of help give me an idea as to whether or not everybody's right and says you can't build a facility here, because right now I'm leaning towards this is the best location for a new facility. So let's get moving. Okay, so it's Monday. I started my survey about 10:50, and which I figured was the busiest time of the week here at City Hall, the jail area. And I'm going to go over this real quick with you. On Sunday, I counted about 331 parking spaces. There were 17 cars in the lot at the time. These are cars that just sit here. When I came by this morning at 10:50 a.m., I counted 203 cars in the lot. Subtracting the 17 that I saw on Sunday, actually that doesn't even matter. Basically, what I figured was that there's about 145 open spots out of 331 in this lot. So this parking lot's a terrible design. Next to Rural King is probably the worst parking lot in the community. So if you look at how it's laid out, first of all, that's an issue. But there's still almost 50% of the spots at the busiest time during the week that are open. So when the claim is made that there won't be enough parking if we take half of this area, and I'm not even including the spots right next to the jail, I didn't count those. So I don't even know how many are there. But to me, without seeing a study done, I don't see the need to build a parking garage. And then when you also look, granted you've got busy streets around here, there's plenty of off-street parking on the north side and south side of this campus. So I'm really having a hard time with the fact that people say that we cannot build a new facility here because there's not enough parking. So make your own decision. This is just me as a citizen, but also being somebody that's responsible with your money on the county council, that in order for me to make the right decision, I need to make sure that we're doing what's right and accurate. So thanks for taking the time to watch this, and please share with anybody that you think may have an interest. Thanks.